Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to use SigmaMind AI template on Zapier to trigger a phone call. So from your Zapier app marketplace, search for SigmaMind AI. Here you can see we have already added a template for you. So this actually trigger a phone call whenever a new row updated in a Google Sheet. You don't need to create a template from scratch. Just click on this try it. And here you can see your template is already ready. So from here you just have to add your account here, and here you can select the trigger event whatever whenever you want to trigger a phone call. So here I have added like whenever a new row is updated in a Google Sheet, then a phone call should trigger. Then next step, here you just need to select a spreadsheet and then worksheet. You don't need to add anything here because trigger column is not required. And then continue, and you can test trigger as well. And in the next step, here you just need to add your account. So here you can see I have already added a SigmaMind AI account here, but for you, when you have to add your SigmaMind AI account. So for that you need an SigmaMind API key, and this API key you will generate from SigmaMind AI dashboard itself. Let me show you how you can generate API key. So from your SigmaMind AI dashboard, click on API key and then click on create API key and just give the name of this key and then click on create. That's it. This API key is generated here. You just need to copy this API key. But before closing this, make sure you copy this API key and store somewhere safely, because once you close this, then it will not be visible for anyone. Now you can use this API key to log in. And that's it. And then click on continue. Here you just need to give a phone number that you want a call from. So this you can also include in your Google Sheet itself, and it will pick the phone number from your Google Sheet itself. But here I am giving the phone number manually. Now here you have to give a phone number that you want to make a call to. Make sure you have given the number in a proper format. And that's it. Now you have to click on this continue. Now we can test this step. Once I click on test step, I should get a call from the number. Now you can see I am getting the call from that number. So that's it. Try our SigmaMind template on Zapier. Thank you.